All right, so let's get started with making these crochet leads. You can use a 5.0 or I am using a 5.5 millimeter hook. I believe this is the letter I. I'm using 4-ply yarn. However, you can use cotton yarn. You can use whatever yarn you want, but this is a 4-ply yarn that I got from the craft store, from the Dollar Tree. Make sure you got a tapestry needles to sew in our loose ends, and also a pair of scissors just to cut off the extra pieces. So we're going to get started by making a slip knot, and you can make your slip knot however you make yours. This is the way that I make mine. Yeah, so make it how you make your slip knot. If you need a slower tutorial on how to make the slip knot, leave it in the comments down below. All right, let's go ahead and chain up 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Once you have your 9 chain, just like this, and the second loop, that's 1, 2, I want you to go ahead and put a single crochet into the second stitch. And then your next stitch, I want you to do a half double crochet. Wrap the yarn around your hook, insert it into the next stitch, pull through all 3. That's a half double crochet. Into the next stitch, go ahead and make a double crochet. Go through 2, go through 2. In the next stitch, we're going to do a triple crochet. You're going to wrap the yarn twice around your crochet hook, insert it into the next stitch, pull through, and now we're going to pull through 2, pull through 2 more, and then go ahead and pull through the last 2. That is how you make the triple crochet or triple stitch. Now we're going to do another triple stitch. So go ahead in the next stitch, make a triple, go through 2, go through 2, go through 2. Now we're going to do the next stitch is a double crochet. The next stitch is going to be a half double crochet. And the last stitch is going to be a single crochet. All right, now we're just going to chain 1, and we're going to turn our work to the side because we're going to work on the opposite side of what we just did. So we're going to start in this first stitch where we did the chain 1, and we're going to do a single crochet. And the next stitch, which is a half double crochet, we're going to do a half double crochet. The next stitch is a double crochet right here. So we're going to do a double crochet. The next stitch is a treble. So we're going to make a treble. Wrap around twice. Go directly on top of the bottom treble crochet. Pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. Now the next stitch is another treble. So we're just going to go right beneath the treble and do a treble crochet. Go through 2, go through 2, and go through 2. The next stitch below is a double crochet, so we're going to do a double crochet. The next stitch is a half double crochet. I'm going to move that tail out the way, and I'm just going to do a half double crochet. The next stitch is a single crochet of what we got started, and so I'm going to make a single crochet. And that's all you're doing is doing one side and then going the opposite side to make the leaf. Now we're going to go ahead and chain up 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And the second chain from the hoop, you're going to put a single crochet. And then the last 3, you're going to put a single crochet in each stitch all the way down. So just make one single crochet all the way down that chain. Just like this. And once you get to that last chain, and inside this first single crochet, I'm just going to go insert my hook, and this is just for me to connect my branch, just like this. Once you get through, I want you to go ahead and cut your yarn, and now we can fasten off. Just that easy, just that simple. Now all we got to do, because our leaf is now created, we're just going to sew in our loose pieces. I'm going to go off camera to sew in. So go ahead and sew in your 2 strands, and I'll be right back. All right, guys, so I'm back. So there you have it. I went on and sewed up my loose pieces. And again, these leaves can be added to any project that you want. Now you can starch these to make them a little bit more flatter. You can just get some regular starch that you use to starch your clothes, or you can also block these if you would like them to be a little bit larger. But I really love these little leaves right here. I already popped in a picture of how I incorporate these little leaves onto my project, but they're great for a hat, a scarf, or any of your items that you would like to place these little leaves on. And definitely use whatever colors that you have available and just enjoy them. This is a really quick and easy project to work up. Please let me know what you think about them in the comments below. All right, you all. Thank you so much for tuning in to another DIY life video. DIY creation video. I appreciate it so very much. And I will see you all in our next video. Let me know what you guys think, and please give me a thumbs up. Bye, guys.